This is, that's your fish! Woo! No, don't put it up.
Sa dalampasigan ng Qatar, maagang gumigising ang araw. Bitbit ang kanyang pamingwi, may pangarap na dala-dala. Tahimik ang hangin sa umaga, alon ay sumasabay sa kanta, habang tanaw ang bughaw na dagat. Si Jetro ay handang lumabang, kahit minsan walang muli. Ngiti niya'y hindi nawawali, bawat araw ay panibagong laban sa dagat na kanyang pahanan. Oh, si Jetro Palaboy, hari ng pampang at alon. Sa Qatar siya'y kilala, sa tiyaga at sipag na dala. Oh, si Jetro Palaboy, laging may kwento't tagumpay.
Hey, what's up people, and welcome back to Fishing Adventures with Jetro TV. So guys, another day, another fishing adventure here in Qatar. So today, joining with us are Qatari teen friends, aspiring anglers from Qatar. So we have here Mr. Faisal.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Faisal, Mr. Walid, and Mr. Lusail. Oh, and again,
Faris.
Faris, okay, Mr. Faris, and also Hussein, our captain from Bangladesh, and Khalil. And you, bro, what's your good name, bro? Ali. Okay. So, guys, here at MV Real Therapy, we are not just taking passengers just to go for fishing. That's it. We just take good care of them, same as like family, guys. We help them, we share ideas. So now, before, as you can remember, in Cornish I am doing a free basic fishing lesson in Cornish.
Go down again.
So now me and Hussein already think that why we don't do it also here in the boat. So what comes up now here, these are my solid followers here in the Qatari teens, and they are aspiring anglers. So they're asking for our help to to teach them the basic for jigging. So here we are today now. So
Up again. Take it up.
not too long, not too long. And when you hold it,
This is good, yeah. Hoy.
yeah, then aywa. Yan.
Sahlo.
Oh, see? Easy. Just relax.
تعال هاي
Okay.
ما في هذا كيف تشتغل.
Astrafurada. Make it short. Here is your rod. Here is your rod. It's mine. It's mine.
This one also
No,
you
it's
need
short.
more make. And this one also you
Short,
need
it's
to
short.
make like
Here,
this.
here for you. It's slow. Close, close.
Close, huh?
Yeah.
Now you are in hospital.
So it's short.
No problem.
Oh, why kissing? Okay. If nothing, release again. The bill. Open again. Aywa.
Wow. That's سريعة يا.
Here was the fish. Catch?
صاد ولا ايه؟
Oh, there's a splash, huh? In front of you. Watch your back, watch your back. No. This line, no, this line. Straight. Next time you also
Take the line out
can bike
with
that.
your hand.
Because every time you pass, if you go like this, it will cut your hand in the line. That's why that's better if you pull it back. It's a support on the hand.
شوف صوت وياك صوت جد
صوت هاي
إيه.
كينج
King, king, king!
كينج
Oh!
شوف
King, queen!
كوين
كوين يا اخي عبالي كينج
You want to try? Come on! Come on! You can do it. Hold in your hand. It's relax. If he's pulling, wait for it. If he stops pulling, that's the time you will go. Up, reel. Aywa.
خليه يصور
Up, reel, yeah. Go near to the. Yeah, yeah.
صور صور
No. Make timing. Timing. When you go down, that's the time you will. Up.
هذا جواله صور
hold, reel.
حطه
See, more is here. Aywa. Come on.
قدام برو
أيوة.
جواله take it out boss
Aywa. Aywa. That's how that's muscle for. Oh my god. Big muscle, man.
Yeah.
The
Macho
muscle
man.
Oh, mashallah.
اسلم اسلم
Wow, this don't.
وحش وليد
Don't put it up. Hold your fish now, my friend.
Okay.
Oh my god. Take a picture. Take a fucking picture, man.
صور صور مع العضلات
Allah.
انا صدق يا
Aywa! Aywa! Let it! That's your fish! Woo! No! Don't put it up!
راحت لا لا ما راحت كلمة ايزي
No, relax, relax, relax now.
اوكي
Relax, relax. Where is it now?
داون داون جيب
Yeah.
الجوال حسين صور
Yeah, okay now.
داون
Yeah, now. Up!
قاعد بطلعها
Okay, reel. Up! Reel! Up! Reel!
بقوة
Aywa!
كان عاد ها كينج وين
No, 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 queen. He jumped already.
هي جامب
Yeah, if jumping, it's queen. If he's fighting, if he's pulling, let him.
لما يوقف انت اسحب
Yeah. If he stop fighting, that's the time you go.
هيك اسحب لك
Yeah. Okay. That's your time. Oh, no, 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 no. He's fighting.
نعم
Yeah.
ايوه والحين اسحب بسرعة اسحب
See?
يرفع مرة ثانية
Oh!
ممكن نوازن بسرعة اهدى لا تروح لا تروح لا تروح اهدى قاعد يسحب قاعد يسحب قاعد يسحب كبير ها يلا هيدا ايوه اهدى لا بس راحت
Again, put on again.
لا وخر لا لا وخر فوق يا اخي
هي اللي جايه
Wait. Your. Oh, wait, huh?
ايوه
Wait. The line.
لا انت تكفى
Wait, huh? Wait.
ايوه ايوه
يا ما في شيء قاعد شايف انا عبالي صف هناك والله مسكت موت وراح ما شلون راح حجر صغير بمين انا خش صيد عبالي انا بعد سطحه
No.
لا لا
No.
بعدينها
والله وحش
وحش وليد
بالتي شلون شعرك
Your feet, bro. Your feet, please.
ثاني مرة يدخل في ميدان
والله بالليل
الله يلعن شكله من ميدان الزق
ما صور يقول له صور لا هذه كبيرة والله شريف شوف
يلعب كاراتيه
الصوبة جرب الوردي.
don't pull it like this
Pull up.
leave it
Your hand will be. Yeah, be careful, boy. It's like a knife.
انت ايش ما تصيد المساعة
لا تنقطع.
والله ليش ما نستخدم سنارة ثانية زين
ها؟
سنارة ثانية
صيد حبيبي
ايه سنارتي
جيب الهاك جيب الهاك يا
Where's the hook bro? Where's the hook?
What fish? What fish?
بسرعة طلعها
What fish?
اضرب
What fish? Oh, queen also? No, don't make like that.
There's two bring my rod ايوه شيلها والله صدها بيدي
Oh, your hand,
I
shit.
catch والله انا اخذ البيت
Wait. My
انا صيدها بيدي هذه ها
سنارتي ها
all my line now. All my line now is
انا بعطيك اياها
Oh shit.
والله مارك والله انا اخذ I want this one I catch my hand حبيبي في the fish is up all why
Shit. Yeah, all my lines now.
wait
Yeah.
wait this one is
والله شوف بريد طلعت بيدي
So just remove the fish. I need to.
حبيبي صور بدري على العموم صور
شنو صور انا صيدها يا حبيبي
سنارتي يا حبيبي
صورني يلا صورني يا حد صورني
ان شاء الله زين ها؟ قلت انا في واحد والله اني مساعد
No.
وريني صورني
Shit, no man. Oh fuck. Move your leg.
انا هسدها بيدي بدي هاي باخذ البيت انا
Cut now this one, bro. Cut this red line.
انا اقول شنو هاي الشيء اللزج قاعد يسوي
Okay. Yeah. Release it now. Don't use rod now, please. Don't use rod now.
my hand better
Use your
والله.
yeah. Yalla. Oh! Wala! Woohoo! 2 pieces, boy. Oh my God! A lot of barbecue today. Okay. So what you do? Put your rod there. Put your rod in the stand. Okay. And you need to remove the fish.
بص
Yeah, if 100 time I make it 100 time it will come out.
do 100 time break 100 time عادي.
need the gloves this
1 minute, keep it on.
لا تسحب على طول والله
Oh! It's a good one, it's a good one. Relax, relax. Oh my God, this is my guy, this is my guy. Allah, استغفر الله. Woohoo!
صيد اليوم.
هاي حاول عشان واقف عليه انت
ما ايش في وين؟
No, if he's fighting, don't drill. If he stop fighting, yeah.
Oh, he's fighting. Oh my god.
Oh my God! Woohoo! Bro, be careful, bro. I don't want to go in the sea.
my fish ابعد
نزل اسحب سلام
Oh, where are you from?
There is a
يمن
he's from Palestine صوت والله حلوه عوده
Allah, Allah.
والله
Allah. Allah, Allah. Oh, hamur.
والله العظيم وانا قاعد اصيد اقول
Hold on, bro. No. Maybe the hook, though.
والله يا
Allah! Number 1!
والله اليوم احلى عشاء بديتها
والله بديتها
Aywa!
guy bro yeah
Yeah! What's your name?
قصي QUSSAY
Not Lucella, not Lucella. Oh!
حبيبي
Sherry and red grouper. Oh my.
هاي احلى صيدتين هاي.
What?
طيب
How can you?
شوي.
How many kilos? Oh my god. Hey, jump, jump, jump.
Okay guys, go.
Go. Woohoo.
خلاص
Jump again. Oh, mashallah. Okay guys, so it's because it's really hot right now, so
والله too hot.
our friends do some like a little refreshing in the waters, in the cold waters. Water is cold? Good?
It's good.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, oh my god. Mashallah. Here's my guy again. Oh, it's crying again. It's crying. It's crying.
I'm more guy.
I wanna up, reel, up.
He's fighting.
Why your line is over here?
What's my line? Because I'm fishing here.
No.
There is fish already,
Give way.
right?
Give way, bro. Give way, bro.
Slowly, let it take.
Yeah. You have all your time now.
Up your line,
You have
bro.
your time.
There.
Bro.
Take your line
My
up.
God.
It's so far.
Bro, your friend have fish already.
Yeah, my line is look where. لا تبعث هذا.
If his line will tangle on his line, kalas your fish.
Yeah, there is fish. You also have fish.
Oh, now you have. Now you have. Now. Oh.
بول look.
Oh. Oh. ايوه. ايوه. ايوه.
ركز فيها هذه كينج.
Queen. Oh, okay, now it will take all your power. But you relax. It's a king this one. It's a king this one. Huh, queen? Ah, queen. Yeah, put it up.
لا هسي كينج
لا هو يقول كوين.
هسي انا كوين
Queen. Sure.
What's his big queen?
Put in your armpit. Yeah. Aywa. Hold here. Yeah. Aywa. Sige.
خلاص على جنبي يلا.
You go that side. Go that side.
Okay, it comes.
Go that side. You go that side.
Wow! Mashallah! Barbecue! Oh! That's my guy. That's my guy, man. That's my guy. Oh, two kings. Two strike. Aywa.
عطوا
Aywa.
ان شاء الله.
One down. Show your fish, boy.
عطوا
Your feet.
ابشر بالصيد.
Put your rod now there. Oh, no.
موجود.
After it will tangle all the line.
My hands.
Hold.
أول
No.
شوف خليل. اسلم.
طلع
لا وحش والله وحش.
طلع
اسلم.
بل يا اخي
هلا ابو شهيد. هذا ابو شهيد. والله شيء والله.
نفس الوقت ها والله يلا وليد باقيين
I stop.
Okay, stop now.
How to stop?
Just click the button and up. I have a very nice wing now. Motherfucker. Okay guys, so aksidente pa tayo habang tatanggal natin yung hook sa kamay ko sumabit. Ah! Ay! Tapate. Okay guys, so papunta tayo sa hospital. So patanggal lang natin to, tapos magpa-injection na tayo ng anti-tetanus. Kanina sana, kahit dun sa may boat, pwede naman siya sana ipalusutin ba? Palusutin, kailang malapit kasi guys sa ugat dito sa ano. So mahirap na, baka ano pa ba? Hindi matamaan pa na ugat. Mas mabuti pagdalhin natin sa ospital. Natanggal ko na kasi kanina yung una sa isda ni Khalil. Natanggal ko na yung una, yung assist hook. Pagtanggal ko ng treble hook, bigla na lang pumiglas yung isda at tumama sa kaliwang kamay ko. Hindi naman siya masakit, kaya lang medyo kumikirot ng konti kapag maggalaw ko ba. Kasi napakalalim ng tama niya. So malapit na rin tayo sa hospital guys, 870 meters naman lang. So buti dito kasi sa may Qatar, may mga health card pa kami na mga binibigay sa amin ng company. So wala ka masyadong alalahanin sa mga gastos sa ospital na mga ganyan. Mostly na mga gastos mo lang mamaya is about 2 reals, ganun lang. So at least, pero kung sa mga Pilipinas ka nito, naku, anti-tetanus mo pa lang na injection, magkaano na dun, ang mahal na. Sus Mariosep, dito buti ka mo sa Qatar, pasalamat tayo kung may mga ganitong mga problema ka, aksidente or mga ano, basta may health card ka lang guys. Ito yung pinaka-importante, yung health card na talaga. Pag meron ka nito, hindi ka masyado maanuhan. So ito, yan, tulad yan, health card namin dito, yan. Okay, so kita-kits lang sa hospital guys. Okay, so hindi pa dito. Diyos ko, sa gate number 5 pa daw. My God, kumikirot na. Animal.
I can throw. You want this one?
Yeah. Okay guys, so natapos na rin. Natanggal na rin yung hook sa kamay natin. Pagkatapos, in-injection na rin ako ng anti-tetanus. Tapos yung gamot natin, meron tayong antibiotic at saka yung painkiller. At guys, guess what? Dahil may health card ako, ang binayaran ko lang guys is 4 reals. So in Philippine peso, 60 pesos. 60 pesos lang guys ang ginastos ko. Okay? Natanggal na yung hook sa kamay natin, na-injection na tayo ng anti-tetanus, may gamot na tayo. Napakagaling talaga guys. Napakagaling talaga kapag may ano ka, may health card. Kaya napaka-importante talaga guys dito sa atin sa Qatar na pag may health card ka, napaka-easy lang. Okay? So hanggang dito lang guys yung video natin para sa araw na to. So successful rin yung fishing natin kanina, na nagturo tayo sa mga bata na mga Qatari. Okay? At yung aksidente natin successful din at natanggal yung hook. Okay? So tara. God. Okay guys, so hanggang dito na po yung video natin para sa araw na to. So ayun, nag-enjoy naman kayo at may nakuha kayong leksyon ngayon sa araw na ito. So ang lesson for today natin guys is wala naman talaga, aksidente lang talaga nangyari. kahit nag-iingat tayo, matagal na tayo nag-fishing sa ganyan, pero talagang aksidente ba, hindi mo talaga maiwasan. So ang haba na kanina ng pliers na gamit namin sa pagtanggal ng mga hook, pero ewan ko kung bakit nakasabit na talaga sa akin kasi nakahawak yung isang kamay ko sa may line at saka na tumatanggal ng hook dito sa may muha ng isda. Pagkatanggal ko ng ano, biglang pumisik ba yung jig, kaya doon tumama yung hook sa kamay ko. Ayos lang, normal lang yan. So don't forget guys, just spread love, always be happy and enjoy fishing.